Hello friends, today we will discuss various types of research in Indian context and research methodology. First is basic or pure research. It focuses on gaining new knowledge without any immediate practical use. Here discoveries are made which are used in future. Develop theories and principles. For example, research on genome sequencing of India population to understand genetic diversity without any immediate application but beneficial for future healthcare studies. Second is applied research. It aims at solving specific practical problems by applying theories or principles. Its purpose is to find solutions to real life issues. For example, research on developing drought resistant crop varieties by Indian Council of Agricultural Research to help farmers facing water scarcity. Third is descriptive research. It aims to describe characteristic of a population or phenomenon to collect detailed information. Example, National Family Health Survey that collects data on population, health, fertility, nutrition, etc. in India. Analytical research. It uses existing data or facts to make critical evaluations. Purpose, analyze and interpret available information. Example, analysis of economic impact of GST, that is, goods and services tax, using secondary data from government reports. Fifth is exploratory research. Its meaning is it is preliminary research conducted to clarify problems or discover new ideas. Its purpose is to identify issues and possible solutions. For example, exploratory studies on digital payment adoption in rural India to understand challenges after demonetization. Sixth is experimental research, which means to test hypotheses through experiments under controlled conditions. Purpose to determine cause-effect relationship. Example, clinical trials of Covaxin and Covishield vaccines for COVID-19 in India. Seventh is historical research. It studies past events systematically to understand the present and future. Its purpose is to analyze historical facts and trends. For example, research on freedom struggle of India by examining historical documents, letters, and archives. Eighth is qualitative research. It deals with numeric data, focusing on perceptions, ideas, and feelings. Its purpose is to explore depth of social issues. Example, study of Dalit women's experiences in higher education in Indian universities. Ninth is quantitative research. It focuses on numeric data and statistical analysis. Its purpose is to test hypotheses and measure variables. Example, survey on literacy rate improvement after the implementation of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. 10th is action research. It aims at solving immediate problems by practitioners themselves. Purpose is to improve local practices. For example, school teachers conducting research to improve students' attendance in remote villages of Jharkhand. So, basic research is genome sequencing of Indian population. Applied research is development of drought-resistant crops. Descriptive research is National Family Health Survey. Analytical analysis of GST impact. Exploratory study on digital payment adoption post demonetization. Experimental is Covaxin or Covishield vaccine trials. Historical research on India's freedom struggle. Qualitative study on Dalit women's higher education experiences. Quantitative survey on literacy after Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Action research on improving school attendance in villages.